Let's do a wall push-up. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. Or at the very least, do push-ups so well you eventually get strong enough to do these, because it's so much more intense, especially in all the core muscles, to stabilize yourself while putting your feet to a wall. To make it easier, you can work into it by placing your feet up here. The higher, the easier. Also, your arm placement can go out in front of your shoulders a little to make it easier. But the most difficult is going to be your hands right underneath your shoulders. So 90 degrees here, also 90 degrees between your feet and the wall, so completely perpendicular to the wall. So let's try it out. I'll do a few. My feet started slipping. Also, foot grip to the wall. Bare feet typically is going to be a little more difficult. If you have on shoes with good soles, you'll have a lot more grip between your feet and the wall, in which case I could have definitely done a few more, but I took the most challenging option. And also keeping your back from bowing. The top part of the push-up, make sure your shoulder blades are protracting to where they're going forward. Instead of retracting like this, the top phase protract all the way and avoid the bow in the back. And wow, that one exercise alone is a full body workout. So let's do a few sets of those. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. See, I'm out of breath just from that little bit. I gotta recover. Let's do another set. We got more sets to do.